Imagine waking up to this every single morning right in the heart of Miami, listed for $1.47 million, and I might be able to get you a deal. Welcome back to Selling Miami Dreams. Today we're in Park West neighborhood, basically the heart of Miami. Very famous for the luxury high-rises and all the entertainment this area offers. Today we're checking out a 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms condo, about 1,333 square feet, currently listed for $1.47 million. And I can't wait to show you inside. Me personally, what I love about corner units is that usually when you walk in, you have this long hallway, and then you come in, it opens up to this beautiful corner exposure from the 55th floor. You can see everything from here. You can see Sunny Isles, you can see Edgewater, you can see the Venetian Islands, Miami Beach, the port, you can see downtown, you can see Brickell, you can see everything, and that's why this is such a desirable line in this building. Very rare to come on the market, by the way, because of this, because you have this corner exposure that sticks out and makes you able to see absolutely everything. You have floor to ceiling windows all throughout. Every single room offers you a beautiful water view. Right now, let's go back inside through the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom sits right here, so you're able to see the entire beautiful view. A really nice feature about this unit is this glass wall. It was custom made for this unit, so you can have very open here. You can have some privacy if you like, because you do have blackout shades, so you can close anytime. And I really love how it opens the space and it gives you the ability to see water. As soon as you wake up, you're able to see all this beautiful, gorgeous view. You have an open kitchen with stainless steel appliances. I really love how the kitchen incorporates into the room, so you're part of everything here. If you're hosting, you're part of everything. The dining room here, the living room is there, the view is everywhere, so it's perfect. It's a perfect unit for hosting, I would say. We have 10-foot ceilings and automatic blinds all throughout. Being Park West, one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Miami, you're so close to everything, walking distance. You most likely won't need a car here. Well, if you want to go to the beach, you might need to drive 8 minutes drive to the beach. You want to go to a Miami Heat game? Across the street, literally 1 minute walk. You want to go to the biggest events that Miami hosts in the Bayfront Park? Across the street as well, 5 minutes walk. So this area offers you so much entertainment. Not only that, dining, shopping, park, if you have pets, if you have, you want to go for a bike ride. Across the street, we have one of the most beautiful parks that Miami offers. So it's really being close to everything and being in the heart of Miami. This is a split floor plan, so we have one bedroom situated in one side of the unit and the other bedroom on the other side, so that's why we call it split floor plan. It's a split in the middle and gives you this privacy. But not only that, one thing I really like to feature is that you have two balconies. So while the main living area and the primary gets its own balcony, the guest bedroom also gets its own balcony as well, and you have beautiful views here for the sunset, for downtown area, and you also have water. So if you're someone that you're probably thinking, well, I want a condo in Miami, but I want the most beautiful view. I want to be part of that Miami lifestyle. I want to be part of all the events. I want to feel like I own the top of the world. This is the place for you. It's a great entry point for the Park West neighborhood. It's a neighborhood that's evolving, it's growing, and you get the most beautiful view. It's even better in person, trust me, for just $1.47 million. And remember, I might be able to get you a deal. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I post a tour every week, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.